Hello everybody, Joe Cool here. I just wanted to give you a rundown of where I'm at with the tank and show you the fish room or the back door to the tank. I haven't really showed off what's going on back there yet, so let me just go over a few things on the front. What I have here now is some insulation board. I took the bottom piece off so you guys could see the sump, what's going on in here. You can see my probes are down here, and you also see I leave a space from the conductivity probe. I leave a space between that. I also keep my temperature probe away. I found out over the years that for some reason the conductivity probe does not like the temp probe right next to it for some reason. And also, it's just nice to to make sure you don't have any interference. Right here is my float switch that controls the water volume in the sump. Once all the probe wires get over to here, they run through this looming to keep them, you know, extra shielded from any other power sources. I have all my power wires in the back down here. I'm not crossing or near the wires. They all run out of the box higher. I have my breakout box mounted here, controlling the float switches. It also controls my solenoid here and my autofill floats. I have two floats in my Tech 10 gallon RO storage container, and there's a PMUP pump inside, Neptune pump, and that pumps water in. I also created this anti-siphon part here out of a piece of tube and a couple pieces of plastic tubing stuck in it to suck air back in, so that it doesn't, you know, just siphon the water out of the sump. And I have a flood on the floor. It's working perfectly. Makes a little noise, but it's better safe than sorry. Unfortunately, the rocks in my holding tanks had a little bit of algae growing on them. It's not super bad, but I tried scrubbing off all I could, but I'm working on that as I can. I've got my three Neptune wave pumps mounted over here. I've got another PP20 pump back there that I use. It comes on every once in a while to blow the stuff off the bottom and the back. Have another one I have yet to hook up. So far I just got my display here, which if you paid attention, I rewired with a long USB cord. Rewired the cord on it because the one that comes with it is really flimsy. Alright, so the 400 watt LED metal halide replacement is working really nice. I've got my 4 Kessels up there adding blue light. I'm going to add another one of those lights up top. You know, my corals seem to like it. Here's a Lord Howeness that made it. I'm surprised I have anything alive, considering everything that it went through. Alright, so let's go to the fish room.